Okay, now we are going to download and install XLS. So at first, go to the search bar and write down here Microsoft Store. So it's come already. So click on the Microsoft Store. Okay, now search with the file XLSX. So this is the XLS spreadsheet. I click on there. Okay. Now click on the gate. So it's downloading and installing also. So this app is free. So you can use the Excel and XLSX spreadsheet. Okay, now click on open. Okay. Okay, so done. So you see the spreadsheet is done and we can work in there. So thank you. Thank you for watching.